It's Nick with Drain My Lawn in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're going to be talking about corrugated pipe. Is it all the same? Of course the answer is no, and I think you know that. But there's actually probably more surprising of a difference than you would imagine. So here I have three different pipes represented. I have your standard green stripe, as you know where that comes from, single wall black corrugated pipe using recycled material. This is the stuff, the infamous stuff everybody gets frustrated with, right? There's that single wall. Okay, here this is French Drainman armor pipe. This is really thick. It's quite, it bends, but it is much stronger. Its ridges are a little different, but it is a much stronger, denser pipe made with non-recycled material. Then here we go. This right here is double wall. This is 4-inch corrugated double wall. Look, it is smooth on the inside. You can see that there. That's really important because a lot of folks will say, oh, you're just trying to save money, or that's going to clog. This is smooth inside. So for all the things, yep, debris can settle more in a single wall pipe. Doesn't mean it's bad pipe. You just have to design your systems right. But a single wall pipe, a double wall pipe here, solves that problem. But there's more. There are different grades of double wall pipe. This right here is AASHTO certified double wall corrugated pipe. This is rated for use in highway projects or under highways. This is meant to take the load when properly installed under roads, heavy duty roads, and it is certified to do so. Okay, that's what the difference is here between just regular double wall and a AASHTO certified. This is the heaviest of the heavy duty pipe you can get corrugated. It's actually physically heavier than normal double wall. Sorry to interrupt the show, but if you want one of these Drain My Lawn Carhartt hats, be the first to comment high octane in the comments. If you are the first to comment high octane, go ahead and put it in there. We'll reach out to you and we'll mail you one of these sweet Carhartt Drain My Lawn hats. All right, back to the show, which is already heavier than single wall. And but we use it for high flow situations and situations where you're going under driveways where it's gonna be driven over. We still have to install it properly, but the reason we go with this versus PVC here is this right here. See it? It flexes. So it bends, and in our area, as you see, we have, look at all these trees we have here. This is our yard. We have a lot of trees in Charlotte, North Carolina, and if you put something very rigid in the ground, especially only about a foot down where we are in Charlotte, that's because we're not that cold, we're putting things about a foot down generally on a normal basis, you're going to be right there in the root zone of all these trees, and they're going to shift the ground around, and if you don't have flexibility, you're going to have cracks. So that's why we use this. It's also why we like single wall. Single wall is even more flexible, and if it's designed right and installed with the right capacities and all that stuff, your single wall system is going to be great. We don't put this either of these, we don't put those under driveways or places like gravel drives or anything like that. We go double wall. So if you have any questions or want to see some other stuff on our channel, put it in the comments. If you need drainage in Charlotte, North Carolina, go to drainmylawn.com or call 704-489-3444.